What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike. Welcome to part 4 of the 1 year in review on my kit car build. It's based on a Pontiac Fiero. It's gonna be a Ferrari Koenig replica when it's all done. As you can see, we got about 20 centimeters of snow from the blizzard last night. It's time to go ahead and shovel out the car. But in the meantime, check out the content for the year in review. Woo! What's up, guys? I got the interior, and on today's episode, I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown on where I'm at with the interior of the project car. I'm gonna go over the seat brackets I made for the red leather racing seats, as well as the carpet's been all clean, shampooed, ready for reinstallation. All right, so it started to rain out, as you can see. Had to pull the car back in inside the carport. A little hard to work in here, but we got the passenger side carpet all reinstalled, nice and clean. Just going ahead and mounting up the brackets that I fabricated for the red racing seats I got. So let's go ahead, tighten these down. We'll do the driver's side next, and then we can hopefully put the red seats in. These seats are so comfy, guys. First time in the car with 2 red seats. Check that out. Like Damon Fryer from DDE, eh guys? Or Daily Driven Kit Cars. All right, guys, check it out. Got the 2 red leather bucket seats, vinyl bucket seats. I don't know what they are exactly. They're cheap racing seats from eBay. I got the pair for 300 bucks. So that's a pretty damn good deal with sliders. So I went ahead, got the seats installed. I got the black carpet all clean back in the car, as well as the back panel. That's all clean back in. So yeah, pretty good progress on the car. The 2 seats are in, looking slick, fully adjustable. Might as well give the interior a little wipe down. It's got a bunch of overspray on it right now. See how it feels in the car. Oh yeah, I'm leaving that. You got good storage back in here for all your paperwork and whatnot. All right, progress. We're gonna be installing some hinges on the front clip and trying to get the front end of this Ferrari kit car to swing up like an F40. So stay tuned, check it out. We're just gonna let the car warm up now. But as you guys can see, the front clip is clipped on. The gaps are looking a lot better. Once it's latched down, everything will line up real nice. Super cold outside today, so the car is idling real high. Still gotta drive the car down the road and let the idle or the IAC valve reset itself. But stoked. You can see the headlight gaps are getting sucked in better now too. Let's go ahead and just put a blanket underneath the front end, flip up the front, just because I don't know if it's going to drag on the lip or not. I just want to protect that. I've done a lot of body work to it. So let's go ahead, put a blanket underneath the front end. See if the front end flips up like an F40. Stoked, guys. The car's coming along really nicely. Hood is now complete as far as bolting up the hinges. Got to weld on a nut to the one far side, but other than welding on that one nut, the hood's flipping up and down, no problem. I just got to create a little bit of a hood stop or some kind of a latch hinge mechanism that keeps the hood from opening up too far. So I'll design something for that. Interior's coming along. This week I'll start painting all the interior panels black. I'll go down to my buddy's shop and he's got a nice big spray booth. Wheel spacers are on the back of the car, so those are looking real nice. I got all the radiators that mounted inside here getting refurbished. Progress. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, because the next step is paint. You're not gonna wanna miss that. Ciao, ciao.